Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Scroll down and expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on each and every USB root hub driver and update it. Okay, on the first one, on the second one, on the third one. That is it. This is the main solution. If you're thinking that there's any other solution, see if the hardware is bad, if the USB slot is bad, or if the USB device is bad, then there's nothing you can do from the computer's end. Yeah, there's one more thing that you can try. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.